Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mon and today we'll solve some HOTS high order thinking skills MCQ questions on rational numbers. Our topic is rational numbers. We solve some high order thinking skills questions that related to rational numbers. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel first. Then please hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos, and please visit my blog mathscreate.com for more information regarding the textbook solutions of other state boards, ICSE, CBSE and state boards. Let's get started and solve some questions. Now solve question number 1. Question number 1, HOTS MCQ question, high order thinking skills question. Among the following, a rational number is. First we have to know what is rational number. Is Rational number is of the form P divided by Q or any variables of the form P divided by Q, where P and Q are integers and the denominator Q not equal to 0. Rational numbers are of the form P divided by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q denominator Q not equal to 0. This is the rational number. Now we have to find out these options are given 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by root 2, 1 divided by 0 and all of these above. 1 divided by 2, here the P and Q are 1 and 2, both are integers. 1 and 2 are integers and it is of the form in fractional form, and 1 and 2 are both are integers and the denominator 2 not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. In the second option, 1 divided by root 2. Here the denominator root 2 is not equal to 0. Denominator root 2 is an irrational number. So this is not a rational number. And third option is 1 divided by 0. Here the integers 1 and 0 are both are integers and the denominator 0 is equal to 0. But in rational number, denominator should not be 0. So this is not a rational number. 1 divided by 0 is undefined. And fourth, all of the above, this is also invalid. This is also not. So our answer is 1 divided by 2. First option is correct. So what is rational number? Rational number is of the form P divided by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q, the denominator Q, not equal to 0. Now we solve question number 2. Among the following, which is not a rational number? The options are 1.34, second option is 2 root 5, third option is 0 divided by 1 and fourth option is both 1 and 2. First option is 1.34. 1.34, we can write this number is 1 plus 0.34 is 34 divided by 100. After decimal point there are 2 digits, so you have to place 2 zeros with 1. So this will be 1 plus 34 divided by 100. And this is also a rational number. This is a rational number. So this is a rational number. 2 root 5. Here 2 root 5. Root 5 is not a rational number. This is an irrational number. Root 5 cannot be expressed of the form P divided by Q. So this is not a rational number. So 2 root 5 is not a rational number. This is an irrational number. Zero divided by 1. Here both the number 0 and 1 are integers. 0 and 1 are integers and the denominators 1 not equal to 0. So this is also a rational number, both 1 and 2. 1.34 is a rational number, but 2 root 5 is not a rational number. So our answer is 2 root 5. This is not a rational number. Now question number 3. The number 0.12 and 0.3 bar, 0.3 bar. This is the symbol bar. Above the 3 there is a horizontal line and this is called 0.3 bar. Or 0.3 bar is a repeating decimal. After decimal point 0.3 bar means the number 3 is repeated. And the options given are integers, prime numbers, natural numbers and rational numbers. From these, among these options, we have to find out the numbers 0.12 and 0.3 bar are which numbers. Integers 0.12 can be written as 12 divided by 100. After decimal point, there are 2 digits, so we have to place 2 zeros with 1. So this is 12 divided by 100, and 12 divided by 100 is a rational number because the numerator 12 and the denominator 100 both are integers and the denominator 100 is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. And 0.3 bar, we can write 0.3 bar as 3 divided by 9. Here 3 is repeated. The repeated symbol we have to write in the numerator, repeated number written in the numerator, and the series of the digit 9. Here only one repeated, so we have to place the digit 9 in the denominator. Or we can write 10x. 10x equal to, if x equal to 0.3, then 10x will be 3.3 bar. Here 0.3 bar, after decimal point 3 bar, and here also after decimal point 3 bar. Now 10x minus x, we have to subtract. 10x minus x is 3.3 bar minus 0.3 bar, and 3 bar cancel. 9x equal to 3 and x equal to 3 divided by 9. 3 divided by 9, and 3 divided by 9 is a rational number because the numerator 3 and the denominator 9 both are integers and the denominator 9 not equal to 0. So this is also 0.3 bar. This is also a rational number. So our answer will be 4, rational number. 0.12 and 0.3 bar is not integers. They are not integers. 0.12 and 0.3 bar are not natural number also, and 0.12 and 0.3 bar are not prime numbers. So 0.12 and 0.3 bar are rational numbers. So our answer is fourth option, rational number. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.